Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 167 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning, and its usage in a sentence. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words are asked in your upcoming exams. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is embezzle. The meaning of the word embezzle is to secretly take the money that is in your care or that belongs to an organization or business you work for. I repeat, the meaning of the word embezzle is to secretly take the money that is in your care or that belongs to an organization or business that you work for. Now, let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word embezzle better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, she embezzled thousands of dollars from the charity. Here, embezzled is being used as a verb. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. The synonyms can be to misappropriate, steal, or pilfer. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be to square or to balance. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word embezzle better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड embezzle को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was she embezzled thousands of dollars from the charity. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है उसने चैरिटी से हजारों डॉलर का गबन किया. यहाँ पर embezzle का मतलब है गबन करना. So, guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this word embezzle better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.